Well, Karen Reed was back in court today, watching as her lawyers fought to get 2 of the charges filed against her dismissed. And while that played out inside, outside crowds once again gathered. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg joins us live from outside the courthouse in Dedham with the very latest. Eli?
Yeah, Corey, we had hundreds of people outside of court again today. Those in support of Karen Reed wearing pink, those saying they want justice for John O'Keefe in blue. Meanwhile, inside the court, more than an hour of impassioned arguments on both sides. Karen Reed's lawyers going first this afternoon, arguing that 2 of the 3 charges that Reed faced and could face again should be dismissed. Then prosecutors were up, telling the judge there's no precedent for what Reed's lawyers want to do. All right, so a lot has happened since July 1st when a mistrial was declared after Reed's 9-week trial. Reed was on trial, charged with murder in the January 2022 death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. Now, since July 1st, when that mistrial was declared, Reed's lawyers filed a motion to dismiss the case, saying they had been approached by a number of jurors telling them that the jury wasn't as deadlocked as originally thought. In fact, Reed's lawyers stating they were told that the jury was unanimous in not guilty verdicts on 2 of the 3 charges. So, this afternoon, oral arguments related to that motion to dismiss. Reed's lawyers saying, imploring the judge to bring the jurors back to verify what they've been told.
Order a hearing, Judge. Don't make Miss Reed be the first person in the history of the Commonwealth to face re-prosecution for murder by the same prosecutor's office that tried her once and failed to persuade the jury.
There's quite a twisting of logic into sort of a pretzel in order to have the circumstances of this case fit into the precedent. There's a reason for that, because there is clear and unequivocal precedent on each of those points that goes back decades, if not centuries.
And as I mentioned, the hearing lasted for more than an hour. The judge at the end saying she was going to take all of this under consideration. So no ruling today and no timeline right now from when that decision from the judge may be handed down. Live in Dedham, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.